Hello everyone, my name is Ukonganashimwe Confiance. I'm 16 years old. I want to read one verse in Hebrews chapter 10 verse 14. For by one offering he has perfected forever those who are being sanctified. During the 2021 IYF World Camp, I was able to learn life-changing lesson. I was born in Rwanda in 2005, 11 years after the genocide against Tutsi in Rwanda. After my mother got her second born, as the Pastor Parker mentioned in his lecture, my family was divorced. I and my brother was grow up with our stepfather. I grew up being isolated, not having had to fellowship with others. Growing in this situation as a little girl, it was too hard for me. Before joining IYF and learning the wisdom of the Bible, I could just live following desires of my heart anyhow. The serious problem that was growing in my heart, it was to think that my parents hate me because they didn't provide all that I want. Through the story of L.A. Gay, Peter in the Bible, and Pastor Kim Ki-soo, who changed by listening the wisdom in the Bible, I can testify that I also got changed. First of all, I discovered that my parents have loving heart toward me, so the heart that was developing me to hate them, think that they also hate me, is now gone. It was the problem of thinking deeply to get the solution, which led me to lose the self-control and the fellowship with my parents. Last but not least, I thought deeply about the love of Jesus toward me, and I discovered that even being sinner was a result of not thinking deeply about the heart of Jesus, who led L.A. Gay, Peter, Kim Ki-sung, and me to receive the forgiveness of sin. After Peter realizing the true loving heart which was hidden in him, he changed from being sinner and betrayer to being perfect, righteous, and a great servant of God. Actually, I could have just skipped joining this camp due to only focusing on national exams starting on 19th July, because I'm finishing my middle school this year. So I thank God who is teaching me this wisdom of the Bible. Being such teenager, I'm now perfect righteous as the wisdom in Hebrews says. And I hope to live the rest of my life sleeping in happiness and waking up with hope, focusing on existing opportunities, working with my parents, as well as my country to get the solution to the problems instead of trying to run away from them, using drugs or becoming a delinquent youth. Thank you.